Today we study about Nernst equation. Before this, I explain you electrochemical cell, electrode potential, measurement of electrode potential. How can we measure electrode potential? By the help of SHE. SHE is standard hydrogen electrode. By the help of standard hydrogen electrode, we can measure electrode potential of element. By this electrode potential, we form a series that is known as electrochemical series. So many applications of electrochemical series in reducing agent, oxidizing agent, reactivity, so on. I already explained you. Today, our topic is the Nernst equation. It is very important topic according to board exam. One question each and every year asked from this Nernst equation topic. So student, listen carefully, what is Nernst equation? I already told you, in standard state, the concentration of electrolyte in electrochemical cell is 1 m. We taken 1 m, temperature is 298 Kelvin and pressure is 1 bar. But students, when concentration is not 1 m, when concentration of electrolyte is not 1 unit, then what happens? Then EMF of cell is measured by Nernst equation. We cannot measure EMF of cell only by E naught cathode minus E naught anode. That is the formula when concentration of electrolyte is 1 m. Here I am taking an example, zinc plus copper 2 plus convert to Zl2 plus. It means oxidation of zinc takes place and copper 2 plus convert to copper. It is a Daniell cell. But here concentration you see it is 0.2 m. Zinc concentration of electrolyte concentration is 0.2 m and copper electrolyte CuSO4 concentration is 0.1 m. It is not 1 m. Now what happened to calculate the EMF of cell? We apply Nernst equation. This Nernst equation is E cell measured equals to E naught cell. E naught at standard condition minus RT upon NF, natural log concentration of product ion, concentration of oxidized, it means zinc ion, divided by concentration of reduced form, it is copper ion. Or we can say concentration of product on upper side, concentration of reactant on lower side. Or zinc ion, it is oxidized form, it is in upper, and reduced form in lower portion. So it is the Nernst equation. What is here? R. R is gas constant. Its value is 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Temperature 298 Kelvin, that is the standard temperature. N represent number of electron that transfer. Number of electron that transfer in each redox reaction. F is the Faraday constant and its value we take in round figure 96500 coulomb per mole. It is a standard value of Faraday constant. Now when we put all these value here and natural log convert to log base 10, natural log convert to log base 10, then 2.303 is come from outside. Here the next step is E cell we measured equal to E naught cell, that is in standard condition, minus 2.303 RT upon NF log base 10, concentration of oxide form in upper form, or concentration of reduced, it means zinc ion divided by concentration of copper ion. Now what happened here? Here 2.303 is constant, R is constant, T is constant and F is constant. Variable is only number of electron, because for each reaction the number of electron that transfer is variable. It can be 1, 2, 3, so on. So when all these value is constant, 2.303 R, T and F, the value of it is 0.059. We can't calculate in each and every numerical for it. We learn it. 0.059 upon. Here the number of electron transfer in this reaction is 2. So I write here 2. Now E cell that we measured is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by 2. 2 is the number of electron that transfer. Log concentration of zinc ion is 0.2. Concentration of copper ion is 0.1. We write here. And E naught cell, in some time it is given to you in numerical or sometime it is calculated. In this time it is given to you in numerical. It is 1.1. Put the value here. 1.1 minus. When we divide it, 0.095 multiplied by log 2. Here log 2. The value of log 2 is 0.3010. So we put here 0.3010. Multiply these two terms. Subtract from 1.1 and we get 1.091 volt. So it is some less than standard electrode potential. So E cell of this reaction, redox reaction, is 1.091 volt. It is one example where we take zinc ion and copper ion for a redox couple. Now we take some other example to describe you Nernst equation. Yes students, we take another example to describe this Nernst equation. Here magnesium plus silver ion. Magnesium convert to Mg2 plus and silver ion take up electron, convert to silver. Here oxidation takes place of magnesium and reduction takes place of silver ion. Now how many electron transfer here? Here also 2 electron transfer. Now when we apply Nernst equation, the Nernst equation is E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by N log concentration of magnesium ion, it is oxidized, and concentration of reduced form. But here the number of mole of silver ion is 2. So in concentration we take big bracket and power 2. The number of moles goes to the power. Here listen carefully. Number of mole goes to the power. Here if 3, then you write in power 3. The number of moles goes to the power here 1, that is the power 1. Clear all of you? Now in this reaction, if we apply E naught cell, the E naught cell is not directly given to you. Given to you, E naught means standard electrode potential of magnesium. It is minus 2.37 volt, and standard electrode potential of silver is plus 0.80 volt. You can calculate E naught cell, standard EMF of cell, by the help of these two. When we put the value, E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Cathode is made up of silver because it is less active, and magnesium is more active, it forms anode. E naught cathode is equal to 0.80 minus sign again 2.37, and after calculation you get plus 3.17 volt. Clear? Its standard electrode potential E naught cell is plus 3.17 volt. Now when we put the value here, 3.17 minus 0.059 divided by 2, number of electron is 2, log concentration of magnesium ion is 0.1 divided by concentration of silver ion, but here power of 2. When we calculate this term, we get log 10 ki power 5. Log 10 ki power 5. In rules of log, the power goes to front side. 5 log 10. We convert to 5 log 10. Power convert to this side 5 log 10, and value of log 10 is 1. So after calculation, you get value 3.0225. That is the E cell. It means calculation of E cell is in positive way, so cell is feasible, and it is less than 3.17. Okay students, thank you.